Okay, someone has started recording. Okay, so I'm starting. So our project is focusing on marketing mix modeling using multiple linear regression. So marketing mix is often referred to as the 4 Ps, which is the product, the price, the place, and the promotion, which is the fundamental framework in marketing, which is used to optimize marketing strategies. Right. So in this project, we'll be using the multiple regression analysis. So the multiple regression analysis, in short, is a powerful statistical tool that allows marketers to examine complex relationship between marketing variables, consumer behavior, and other multiple independent variables. So the marketing landscape as a whole is complex with various factors influencing consumer behavior and combination of tactics used in marketing strategies. So about progression helps marketers in this complexity in identifying specific drivers behind the consumer behavior. Right. So in this project, uh, we mentioned some literature on marketing mix modeling and multiple regression analysis, which provided a comprehensive understanding of these concepts. Right? So the aim of this project was to demonstrate the practical utility of multiple regression in marketing analysis, showing how it can inform and enhance decision-making process for businesses in a dynamic and competitive environment. Right. So moving to the data set choice. So the data set we used in this project is an advertising data set, which is widely used or which is widely acknowledged in marketing research. This data set, in some instances, is collected through surveys, which is market related, through surveys which are market related. So the variables, the key variables used in this project include TV advertisement, radio advertisement, and newspaper advertisements. So these variables are crucial in marketing as they directly impact consumer exposures in advertising strategies. So going to our practical demonstration on marketing mix modeling in Python. So the first thing we did was we imported necessary libraries, which helped us in developing this model. So in the first cell, we imported pandas, which helped us to load our data set in our Jupyter environment. We have the NumPy, we have the Matplotlib, and the Seaborn, which helped us in creating some visuals that helped us explore the data more. We also have stats model and scikit-learn libraries, which helped us in building the model, right? So running the first cell, it's now loading our libraries. So the second cell will just show a brief of our data set, a brief structure of our data set, how our data is. So as you see, we have those variables which we just explained, which is the TV advertisement, the radio advertisement, and the newspaper advertisement. So the next thing that we did is we conducted an exploratory data analysis where we wanted to visualize if there is linear relationship between our variables and our target variable, which was our sales. So looking at the plots below, you can run the cell. So looking at the relationship between our marketing variables and sales, so we can see TV against ourselves, they exhibit a strong linear relationship. So indicating that there's a favorable movement, indicating that our TV advertisement is influencing our sales, is impacting our sales in a strong way. Moving to radio, we can see there's still a positive relationship there, although it's deteriorating, though it's getting weak, but the relationship is still there and it's still linear. Moving to newspapers there, we can see now the dots are scattered. So there's no visible relationship. So we can conclude that newspaper is exhibiting a very weak relationship, which means it has no to weak influence on our sales. So going sure that going down our notebook. Yeah. So this is just the relationship which we just explained for sales against advertising. As we can see, the regression line is exhibiting an upward trend, indicating the positive relationship, the strong relationship. So going to the next plot, there, as you can see, now the relationship is getting weak. Yeah, although it's still exhibiting a positive relationship, we would say still radio advertising is influencing our sales, has an impact on our sales. Going to newspaper advertising, going to the next cell for newspaper advertising. So we can see now the dots are more scattered. There's no clear direction of our regression line there. So we can see the relationship there is very weak. It's very poor. Moving to our next cell, to our next cell below there. So we conducted the correlation. We conducted a correlation, which is in line with the above plot. So on the cell there, we splitted our data into training and testing. We also splitted our variables into X and Y. Our X variable, which is our independent variable. On our independent variable, we only focus on two variables, which is TV advertising and radio advertising. So we excluded newspaper advertising because it didn't have any much influence on our sales. So we considered it a redundant variable. So we decided to remove it. So and then we trained our model. So going to our model results there, we can see that going to our model results, we can go down. So going to our model results, we can see that the mode progression model provides a strong fit for examined